What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Sick and Tired by Iann Dior, Machine Gun Kelly, and Travis Barker. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it only uses 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the lead guitar tab that I made for the song as well. I'm going to show you how to play both of those, so if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. Those are there for you. The power chords that repeat throughout the entire song are going to be an A flat power chord, which is 4, 6, 6. Index finger, 1st fret on, or 4th fret on the low E string, ring finger, 6th fret on the A string, pinky finger, 6th fret on the D string. Then you go an E major bar chord, which is 0, 2, 2, just barring the 2nd fret on the A and the D string with the index finger. Then a B power chord, which is 0, 2, 4, 4. Same formation that you were on your A flat, just index finger, 2nd fret A, ring finger, 4th fret D, pinky finger, 4th fret G. And then down to a D flat power chord, same formation, just moving it down 2 frets to 4, 6, 6. Once you have the power chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's just down, up, 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 down up, down, 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 up, Now we'll show you the lead part that kind of repeats out the entire song. You're going to start on the 12th fret of your B string. You're plucking that twice. Then 14th fret on the high E. Back to the 12th fret on the B. And they're technically palm muting. Back to the 14th fret. Slide it down to 16. Back to 14. Slide down to 12, and then 11, 12, 14, hammer on twice. So that's the first half, and then you go back to the 12th fret on the B, picking twice, 14th fret on the B, back to 12, 14, slide up to 16, back to 14, slide back to 12, and then 14, slide to 16, 12, 14, slide to 16, 12. So altogether that looks like there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.